Hello guys, so today we'll take a look at this medium daily lead code question. Minimum operations to exceed threshold value. Second, we are given a zero index integer array nums and integer k, and we have to perform an operation on nums. Okay, so we have to select two numbers, integers from our array x and y. These are smallest integers, right? So we remove it and uh, uh, and then insert a integer with this operation. Okay, uh, like minimum value of x and y uh, multiplied by 2 plus max of x and y at any position in that array. Okay, so you can only apply the described operation if nums contains at least two elements. Okay, so we'll do this till all the numbers of our array is greater than our k. Okay? Return the minimum number of operations needed so that all elements of the array are greater than or equal to k. Okay, so we'll return minimum number of operations here. Constraint is 2 multiplied power of 10 and 1 to 10 to power of 9, and for k we have 1 to 10 to power 9.
Alright, we'll take a look at our first example. We have nums 2, 11, 10, 1 and 3, and we have k is 10. Okay, so firstly we'll select the lowest integers, two lowest integers, which are here 2 and 1. We'll remove them. So our x and y were 2 and 1. Yeah, so now there was operation mentioned in the problem, minimum xy plus max xy, right? So what we'll do, minimum of x and y is uh, like 1 into 2 plus max of x and y is 2, right? So what we get 2 plus 2 is 4. We'll update our nums, what we get, and now we'll insert this here. Again we will perform this operation. We get our x and y, we remove them, right, like this, and perform this operation. X and y is 3 and 4. Minimum x y plus into 2 plus max x and y. Okay, minimum x and y was is 3 into 2 plus max of x and y is 4. We get 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, so our nums is now 11, 10 and 10. Okay, now we see that when we compare with the rk, all these numbers are less than or greater than rk. So we satisfy this condition, and we'll return the number of operations, that is 2. Okay, first this operation and second this operation. So we'll return like this, we'll return 2. For dry run we will use heap here. Okay, so our num source 2, 11, 10, 1 and 3, right, and k was 10. Okay, we'll create a heap here, and store smallest number here, second smallest. We store all the numbers here, 11, 10, 1 and 3. Then we find a smallest number is 1, second smallest is 2. Okay, then we'll perform the operation like in the problem. 1 into 2 plus 2, we get 4. Okay, so we have removed these 2 and put 4 here. Okay, now our smallest number is sorry, 3, and second smallest is 4. So again we'll remove these numbers and perform the operation. 3 into 2 plus 4, we get 10, and we'll put 10 here. Okay, so our heap is now 11, 10, and 10. Whole number are okay. So we satisfy the condition, and we perform two operations, so we'll return to like this.
Okay, now we'll start with the coding part. We'll use the priority queue here. As in Java, it's used as the heap sort. So we first define it. Priority queue long. We can also use int. First try with int here. Priority queue equals new priority queue for int num nums add long num to convert to log. Initialize our count with 0. Then start the while loop. If priority queue is not empty, what we'll do, and rk, yeah, we'll check condition by comparing with k. We should use long here only. Maybe some test cases will not be passed if we don't use long here. Long smallest priority queue. This is for a minimum element, right? And now we'll condition. If our priority is empty, then we'll break is empty. Now second smallest. Yeah. Firstly, we defined for a smallest. Now we'll do with the second smallest. I think we'll put again. We'll add our smallest. Uh, Basically, this is the operation that was defined in the question. Plus second, yeah, smallest. Okay, then count plus plus. We'll just return our count. Let's try to run it now. Okay. So we got our task is accepted in first trial itself. And submit it. Yeah. Okay. That's all. Thanks.